Hey, welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. I am Kevin, and tonight, as you know, I'm going to make some chicken patties, crispy chicken patties. And this is a leftover recipe, and I've made some chicken not too long ago. One of them has, some seasonings on it. The leftovers, I always peel the chicken and freeze them, vacuum seal them. And this one doesn't have the same seasonings, but we're going to mix them together. And we're going to make some chicken patties for chicken patty sandwiches. And I got a little setup over here. Let me just show you what we're going to do.
All right, first thing you got to do is get the chicken in a bowl. Okay, I think this one has some skin. Not much. All right, so you can mix your chicken up just like that, but I like to kind of shred it up a little bit with a blender. You don't have to go too crazy, but usually if it's warm, it'll shred easier. This isn't real warm, but we'll get it done. I think that'll do it. Some of this dark meat I did have to stop a couple of times. There's a skin right there. And you can shred it up more by hand. And big chunks is fine as well. So I think this looks good right here. Okay, next step bowl, we want to have 2 eggs. A pretty good sized spoonful of mayonnaise. I'm using Duke's. Okay, and a little bit of mustard. Probably about half as much as mustard as the mayonnaise. And then you can put green onions in here if you want. You can put whatever you want in. I'm not adding all of that. You can add any seasoning that you like. Let me see, what should I add to mine? So my brother-in-law gave me some of this Blackstone pineapple sriracha seasoning. I'm going to put a nice amount in there. I'm going to sprinkle some in my breadcrumbs as well. You can't see me doing it, but I'm doing it. All right, gonna get this mixed up and we'll be right back. All right, got that all nice and mixed up. Now I'm gonna add all the chicken in. It's a great way to use up leftover chicken. Get this all mixed up. I'm going to add just about a 1/4 cup-ish of breadcrumbs and get that all mixed up. Okay, should look something like that. All right, and then all you want to do is just get a handful of it. You know, kind of like when you're making a hamburger. Then make it roughly the size of a hamburger bun. If you're using a bun for your bread, or make it to the size of whatever bread, I think that's a pretty good size right there. Okay, next, got my panko breading with the pineapple sriracha seasoning in there, and then we're just going to put our patty in there, and we want to get the breadcrumbs on it. It's that easy. Okay, set this over here. I'll make a couple more and we'll be back. Okay, I got 5 patties out of that, and let's get them out on the Blackstone. We'll fry them up. We're gonna get them nice and crispy, and we'll come back in, build them, and yeah, do a taste test. Got my Blackstone heated up. We're gonna get a little bit of olive oil down. I moved my griddle and it's not level anymore, so it all likes to flow backwards. So my griddle is at about 350 degrees. Should be hot enough. Let's get one on right there. You don't have to cook the chicken, but you want to get your the patties heated through, the egg mixture, you know, cooked and browned on the breading. So I'm going to leave these for a couple of minutes and we'll be right back. Some of my oil has run to the back, so I'm going to flip these over here in the oil. And then I'm going to slide them back up here so that they have some oil underneath. I'm going to let this side crisp up. 2 to 3 minutes. Should be ready to go. I flipped these over. They're looking good, so I'm going to throw me some Gouda cheese on these. Let those get melting. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to let these cook up, melt the cheese. I'll do the other 3 that I got going, and I'll just see you inside. Alright, there we go. One without Gouda, the other's with Gouda. Got a couple of buns. Got my toppings over there. Let's put a build on, and then we'll taste one. Right, so for my build, I'm just going to put some Duke's mayonnaise on there. I gotta get some more. My jar is right at the end, but that's okay. We got enough. Okay, Duke's mayo, top and bottom. Okay, and I gotta take one of these with the Gouda cheese, right? All you gotta do is set that on top, and from here you can put whatever you want. I was gonna thaw out some green chilies that I forgot, so I apologize for that. There's no green chilies. So we're just going to go with the basics of building like a regular burger, but this is obviously a chicken sandwich, not a burger, even though it's on a hamburger bun. I love lots of pickles on my chicken sandwiches. Okay, so we're going to do pickle, get a couple of pieces of tomato on there, and believe it or not, I actually have leaf lettuce for this and not just the lettuce out of a bag. All right, we'll do that. We'll cap it off, and there you go. There's my chicken sandwich. I know. We got to cut it in half, right? All right, here we go. How do we do? All right, look at that. Beautiful. See there, we got some melty Gouda, tomatoes, pickles, and a chicken patty. Look at that. Perfect. All right, so take a bite. Here we go. There is a chicken patty sandwich made from leftover chicken. I mean, I don't know. People say they don't like leftovers. It's just like make it a different way so it's not the same meal. I always have leftover chicken. I always shred it up, take it off the bones, and then I vacuum seal it and freeze it, and I can use it for chicken sandwiches. Right? And if you're wondering why I'm indoors today, it's kind of cool outside. We've had beautiful weather, and then today's cool and windy. I was supposed to be fishing. We postponed that till next week. So anyway, here we go. That is very tasty. You know, you can make a salmon patties, crab cakes, all that. Do it with chicken. Make an awesome chicken sandwich. You can maybe make them smaller and make little chicken nuggets out of it if you want. Anyway, that's it. Go make you some, make you a fried chicken patty out of your leftover chicken, or just make chicken so you can make it. All right. Thanks for checking this out. I hope you have a great day.